Welcome to Wiggle Sticks TV. You can probably see I've had a few changes to the old SRAD, so I just thought I'd make a quick little clip. So this hasn't been started for a couple of days now. You might notice something a little bit different. So she's a bit harder to start, obviously. No choke, but you can probably hear that glorious rattle. And it does sit there idling eventually, so it's just a touch harder to start, but it's a bit of a beast to ride. And you can see we have a very different throttle setup, and yeah, she's pretty good. So just thought I'd make a quick cold start video for you, and once I put the stickers on, I'll do a full rundown of what's happened and give everyone a bit of an update. But yeah, she's just sitting there idling quite nicely now.